As I've already been introduced, my name's Lisa Newman. I'm coming on behalf of the Prison Phoenix Trust, which are over there in the corner, and Benjamin was a patron of. The Prison Phoenix Trust take meditation and yoga into all the prisons across the whole of the UK, and I was a beneficiary of them when I was in prison, and so I've come along to represent them because of my gratitude for organizations like that help me get in touch with my sense of spirit, which I know that Benjamin was a big advocate for, finding your essence, finding your creativity, finding your soul. So this poem is called In Exhale. Wise men travel many miles, wise women sail the seas. A wise man can fly many days to find a well-wise tree. Intellectuals and scholars find it hard to believe it's not about the location, it's about the way you breathe. The body that wins prizes cannot sustain the dream. The protein and the vitamins will never reign supreme. Every mirror that is made is programmed to deceive. It's not about the muscles, it's about the way you breathe. Sometimes there is confusion between the left and right. Sometimes you'll find we all look out when we need insight. But once you have found balance, it's easy to conceive. It's not about resistance, it's about the way you breathe. It's folly to take simple verse and make them complicated. The humble breath does not need words to be communicated. When big ideas have come and gone, there is no need to grieve. It's not about great speeches, it's about the way you breathe. Thank you. I think I've got a few more minutes, so I just wanted to sort of big up the Prison Phoenix Trust that are over there. As has been said, Benjamin was a Patreon of the charity, and he says that it's all about helping people to start getting back in touch with themselves. And so if you want to find out more about what the charity does and how he supported them, there's a couple of books where he contributed some of his poems to, and they go to, so say somebody's in prison and they want some of these books, they get sent the books, and they become a bit of a lifeline because there's poetry in there, and then there's ways in which people can access meditation, yoga, and getting back in touch with their sense of purpose and meaning and life, which Benjamin was a big advocate for. We're over there in the corner. Thank you.